Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Bose QC35 so pairing succeeds first try. Charge to a safe level, power on, then press and hold the power/Bluetooth switch until the LED blinks blue. This forces pairing mode so your phone can see the headset. Once done, keep the headphones near your phone and make sure other Bluetooth devices are off. That reduces collisions and speeds discovery. You're aiming for a steady blink, which means the QC35 is actively advertising and ready for the next step. You now use your phone or computer to complete pairing. Open Bluetooth settings, enable scanning, and select Bose QC35 when it appears. Tapping it initiates the handshake. If a PIN prompt appears, try 0000 or accept the request. Most modern devices won't need a code. Once paired, listen for the confirmation chime and watch the LED change. That verifies the connection. Make sure media audio is routed to the headphones in your app or system sound settings, so audio plays through the QC35. You finish by verifying audio and the noise cancellation function. Play music, speak into the mic, and toggle ANC to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, power off and on to test auto reconnect. The QC35 typically remembers the last paired device. If pairing fails or audio is choppy, remove the QC35 from your device's Bluetooth list, restart both the headphones and the phone, then attempt pairing again. That clears stale profiles and resolves most issues. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.